Oh, why is it so rusty? So rusty. Anywho, I know. I changed the YouTube channel name again. For all of my 1,400 and I think it's 32 subscribers. Yeah, half of which has been around forever. And as you know, we've been through 47 name changes. I appreciate you all sticking around for that. But this came to me in the shower. Chasing content. Absolutely spectacular, if I do say so myself. God, I'm so weak, and why is this impact so heavy? Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Oh, strip them out. Anyways, chasing content. Just, I think that's a suiting name. I do. And that's what I'm going with. It doesn't include my name. It is somewhat unique. And I do think about what would be good content. Because the three of you that watch all my videos know that some of my stuff isn't as good as it could be. Man, I just love a face full of dirt. Oh God, my weak arms. So crusty. Interesting, that was a spring clip that was holding that bolt in. Oh man. My lefty loosey righty tighty impact gun's not going to fit in here, but that's okay. Hold on, let me grab a wrench. Well, a ratchet technically. Oh, for the love of God. It's never the right size. Now these sockets I got real cheap on Amazon. 1/2-inch impact socket set. I didn't want all this other crap in there. Just a set of sockets, metric and standard in one case. You can see the writing on there. It's got it written in white, and then it also has it stamped in there. tough little fella. I'll never be able to get a friggin' hammer up in here. Man, really appreciate whoever jammed the carriage bolt in there. I'll be right back. I'm going to slip over here to the other side. But anyways, I thought chasing content was great. Ow. Something's on the kneecap. Kneecap. Oh. Oh. Can't flip the camera around with the glove. Anyways. This right here. Check your hitches, boys and girls. They get rusted out. Now, something interesting on this. Ultra frame. Draw tight, tested tough. Went like a 14,000 pound hitch. You never pull that much, or I won't. Well, I might. 14,000 pounds. That's more than this trailer and the service truck. But I'm sure the ratings are just a rough guesstimate. Anyways, amazing how much thicker this is than the OEM. Now I'm going to get this heavy son of a gun heave-hoed up in there and see what I can do to get it in there. I'll bring you guys back here shortly. Alright, draw tight. Ultra frame. 14,000 pound hitch receiver installed. Alright, now maybe I can tow the trailer and not risk losing it to go get Jackson's truck that is still broke down, that I didn't get to last week because the starter decided to break on this, as did the transmission line. But it's okay, we're feeling confident. I've got a diamond plate strip I think I may actually put across the back of this. It'll clean up a bunch of the holes, and I think it'll look a lot better. Plus, it'll be structurally strong enough, for me to maybe mount a bumper to it. The cheapest bumper I can find used is like $300, and I don't even know if I can make it for that. I'll have to play. But anyways, just a quick video about YouTube channel name change, Chasing Content. Hey, I'm David. Welcome to Chasing Content. And hitch upgrade for the truck. You guys be good and be safe, and we'll catch you next time.